Hello everybody, we are back again today with another episode of Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. In the last episode, we kind of just worked our way around Calm, and after Shinra invaded, we decided to make our way out of the city to the marshlands. And for anybody that has played Final Fantasy VII OG, you know this is not a good place to be. Oh boy. But anyways, we're gonna continue on here. Because I see a purple box here, which is usually like an accessory, I believe. Ooh, no, oh, it's that sword, nice! Glad I didn't buy that. Oh, I'd have been kicking myself. Even though as much as I love the Buster Sword, which my thumbnail will elaborate. Sleek Saber. Does not have a junctioned one there, but I don't have a junctioned materia at this point, so. Yeep. Okay. Alright. Which ones do I have that I'm not using yet? Cool. We'll just equip that. Get it growing.
No sign of Shinra.
Yeah. Looks like an old Republic landing.
What is this Republic
Borrow
stuff?
a boat, make our way across.
That's the second time they referred to
Head
that.
on through the mines and keep going till we hit Junon.
Sure. Why not? You'd trust these rotting hulks?
I mean, we could.
Let's not.
Then maybe we swim it.
Ugh.
This swamp is home to the deadly Midgard Stormer. Beware. But even if you're slow, you can rent a chocobo. We'll see you safely past being nothing if not fast. So just give Bill the word and he'll pick you out. A bird. Well, can we rent some birds? Can we?
God. That's a double barrel of bad news there, buddy. All right, Chocobo Ranch. Ain't nothing else here, right? Hey, look, boxes. Let's smash some boxes. Hey, I got another cushion. Looking around for more boxes. Okay, and a few more boxes. All right, I am going to let us change our party. Let's add Tifa in for a bit. Ladies. Let's just take the double barrel of bad news along with us. All right, Chocobo Ranch, up this way. Please, God, don't make me have to catch my own. Just give me a damn chocobo. What the frick was that? It is a monkey mouse.
We got this! That's it!
It's on you.
I'm coming! You can do it! All set! Bingo! Bring it! Finish him off! Bingo! Bring it!
smooth.
Bring it! Bring it! There!
Where'd he go?
See you around.
Nice. Got him. There is so much here. Oh my god. I hope they go more into what this republic is. Might as well get everybody healed up. Love it. Why couldn't you reuse that? Makes no sense why that's a consumable. Then again, tents were consumables in the old one.
Go on!
Don't overdo it.
So it's my turn? This one's for you! Get him!
Woohoo! Hey, girl! Nicely done! Time to dodge around.
Good night. Go on! Bingo! Get him! Sorry, but I gotta.
Sorry, but I gotta. Hey, nice. Level 17. Oh, yeah. Gotta use those up, too. Hello, minerals.
That's that. Now.
That's over.
Windmill. Wonder if there's anything interesting around it. Hello, bunny. Locked. Not even locked, like just like non-existent. That's kind of a bummer. Yeah, well, Bill's Ranch is right up here. There it is. Hello, supplies. Come on. Say fire it up.
Pleasure to see you all again. And welcome to my humble ranch.
Managed to get your truck fixed?
Indeed I did. You must have been my lucky charms. She started up right after you left. Anywho, what can I do you for? You in the market for some fine feathered friends by any chance?
Are we ever? Need him to get through the swamplands.
Then you have come to the right place. Back in the day, we had Republic ferries to get us from A to B, but now they're nothing but driftwood, sadly. We got the next best thing, though, chocobos. To them, a bottomless bog's no worse than a kiddie pool. Now, ladies, you're probably wondering, what gives these birds the power to glide across swamps with ease? Would you believe that their fluffy feathers give them the buoyancy to float, while their limber legs can outrun a motorboat? Not even the dreaded Midgard Sormer, one of the fastest fiends around, can keep up with them.
Wow.
But you don't need convincing. You just need pointing to a hard-working chocobo. Nature's two-legged limousine.
So,
like
can we
him.
rent some?
Yeah.
Sure can.
Oh, thank
My
God.
grandson Billy's in the stable over yonder. He'll help you out.
Thank Christ. I don't have to catch these blasted things. So, funny story about my original playthrough of the original Final Fantasy VII. I got to the Chocobo Ranch, got the Chocobo lure materia, and promptly sold it because I thought it was worthless. I spent about an hour trying to beat the Midgar Storms and just said to hell with it and started over. It was a nightmare. I learned my lesson with that. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, they did so good remaking the music. All right. No. Come on. All right, do I want to do the wind thing? Wind current. I've already done Powerful Punisher. Let's do this one, Ranged Blade. Alright, she's already got the combo damage. Fiery Impulse. Let's go ahead and do this first. Max MP, yes please. All right. Cool. Oh, Billy's in the barn. There he is.
Howdy!
Saw the sign. Need some chocobos to cross the swamp.
I'm sorry, Pops, but you're out of luck.
Pops.
Got no more birds.
What?
Last one went this morning.
Could have fooled me, kid.
These are spoken for. That or they're not fit for riding.
Mother.
But I can see you're in a bind, so I'll bump you up the list. For a price, of course.
Which is?
10 grand each.
Ha!
The thing is, we don't have that kind of money. Or any, really.
Well, there is one other option.
Don't.
Only cost you $1,000. Is what a scoundrel might say. but I wouldn't dream of distressing y'all further. Just so happens one of our birds ran off the other day. Wild thing, but still a fine chocobo. If you can manage to find and catch him, then he's yours, free of charge.
You sure?
Yeah, why not? Name's Pico, the hardest-headed bird you'll ever meet. By far.
Still gotta catch him.
And he's the spitting image of Pops here. You can start by looking for his tracks. Find those, and you're sure to find the feet that made him. Now, wild chocobos can be a bit skittish around people. But if you play it cool and creep up real quiet-like, you'll wrangle them no problem.
I think we can do that.
I'm screwed.
Thanks.
And one last thing. This info comes free of charge, provided you promise to stop by our shop. Speak to Chloe back there. She'll sell you whatever you need.
Kid's a born businessman.
If y'all can catch our runaway and get his butt back here, riding and rearing lessons are on me.
I don't want to hunt chocobo. Hated doing this in the original game. Just yoink, huh? Timeless rod, nice. Who is kicking over shit? Jesus, Tifa? Good lord, like Tifa's just making a mess of the place. It was Aerith. Aerith got a new staff. Guard stick. Timeless rod. Ooh, that's fancy looking. And it's got a linked. Nice. And an extra slot. Okay. Where are the upgrade settings at again? I forget. Where was that at? Oh, upgrade weapons. There it is. All right. Apparently I don't have the stuff for it. Okay. Alright, guys, since you kicked over their entire freaking fruit stand. Jesus. They're gonna throw
Sorry
us out
about
of
my
here.
brother. All he thinks about is money. He's just doing his job. We understand, I suppose, but he's been a real pain about it ever since our parents left. Say, are you guys from Midgar? Yeah, the Undercity. Then do you happen to know Chocobo Sam? Not very well, but yeah, I guess we do. Where is he?
Probably the Sector 6 slums. He's a big deal in Walt.
Why do you ask? I was thinking about reaching out. It's his fault Mom and Dad are gone, so...
Chloe, that's none of these good folks' business.
But they could help.
Don't tell anyone what she told you. Sam's one of the biggest names in the business. If he gets wind of that story, our ranch is done for.
Don't worry, your secret's safe with us. I promise. Oh, take these greens. You can give them to Pico when you find him. They were always his favorite treat, you see.
Gash.
Maybe he'll come back once he's had a taste.
Gashel greens?
Right.
Gishel?
Should probably sell you stuff, huh? Billy will throw a fit if I don't at least try to get you to spend a few gil. No pressure, but if anything catches your eye. Also, if you happen to need golden plumes on you, I can exchange them for chocobo gear. So be sure to hand them over if you do.
Uh-huh. Golden plumes, huh? All right, what do you got to buy? All stuff like that, huh? Okay, cool. It's all ingredients. Okay.
I hope Pico doesn't give you all too much trouble.
Moogle metal, huh? Moogle to Moogle. I love this barn. It's so cool. Sorry, Earth. Excuse me. There. God, everybody followed me up here. All right.
All right, Pico. Where'd you run off to?
You mean Pico? Let's try looking for some tracks.
All right, well, follow the chocobo tracks. All right. Hello, can I pick these up? At least they got the feathers too to make it a little more visible.
Bingo.
Yeah! Come on, y'all. Let's go bag us a chocobo.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of them out there.
Keep it down. When you're on the hunt, you don't want to startle your prey.
Prey? You know we're not here to kill him, right?
Yeah?
So how do I sneak? Quickly press circle to get out of sight, okay? How do I get out of this? Right. You're gonna turn any second now, you little bastard. I knew it. That's a big rock! Go, 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 go. 2 feathers. Nice. That's a radish.
Aw, isn't he just the cutest? Oh. You know, they are kind of similar. Totally.
What does he want now?
Do you think maybe he's still hungry? Sorry, that's all the food we had. But you know where there's more? Bill's place.
Back to the ranch it is then.
Come on.
Jesus, he's fast. That wasn't so bad. I don't know why it didn't make more sense to ride him back, but it is what it is, I guess.
Ah, there's our guy. Nothing beats a little taste of home, now does it?
Not so much as a feather out of place. Got one healthy bird here.
Enough to ride?
Sure, though I wouldn't try till he's done eating. Once he's had his fill, though, I'm sure he'll come around to the idea, if we ask him nice. Ain't that right? I'll need to prep his gear and all that, so why don't you wait outside?
Who said that? Oh! It's
Hey
you,
there.
What a pleasant surprise.
Chadley. That is not the same voice.
You do remember me, don't you?
Of course!
I knew you would. It was an absolute pleasure working with you in Midgar. Thank you again. Your invaluable intel allowed me to create so much materia. Detecting internal monologue. The hell's this weirdo doing here? I was created by Professor Hojo, you know. Though your thoughts could be read by any cyborg.
He's a cyborg.
But, to answer your question, I took a page out of your book and skipped town. Now, the whole world's my laboratory. Speaking of which, I have a favor to ask, if it's not too much trouble.
You need more battle intel.
That's the Cloud I know. Always eager to get on with it. But yes, though, I'd like you to activate some Remna Wave towers first. They were originally constructed by the Republic of Junon, but were claimed by Shinra after the war.
Ah, thank
Since
you!
which time they've sat idle and untouched, just waiting for someone to put them to good use. The more towers you activate around the world, the more my processing power will grow. As will the area I can survey. I might even be able to construct a communications network independent of Shinra. How does that sound? You'd not only be helping me, but yourselves as well.
If we find any, we'll turn them on.
Wonderful. I thought you might say something like that. Let's get started then. See that tower? That's your first target. And this will activate it. As the tower's close by, allow me to accompany you.
I had no idea this guy was a robot. I thought he was a little odd, but a cyborg. I guess it doesn't really make him a full-on robot, but So strange. I love Chadley. He's awesome.
Here we are. Tower activation confirmed. Initiating preliminary scan of the grasslands.
Nice.
I'll ascertain the locations of fiends and natural resources.
Interesting. How much does that do? Interesting. What do those
After
symbols
careful
mean?
consideration, I have devised a new name for this type of research. I call it World Intel.
New materia, create new combat simulations, embark on other scientific measures, activate. Jesus. Cool.
I hope you'll assist me in gathering relevant data by completing various tasks on your travels. In return, I will use the information you provide to develop new materia, quid pro quo. To summarize, I want us to become research partners. But before that, is there anything you would like to ask?
Developing materia.
With each piece of world intel you collect, you will also provide me with the data I need to develop new materia. What I ultimately produce, however, is for you to decide. I look forward to finding out what we can create together. Do you happen to have any questions about world intel and the like?
Yeah, a specific intel-related task.
Which particular task would you like to learn about?
Yeah, combat assignments.
While it is normal for creatures to adapt to their environment, sometimes these adaptations make them a threat. I would like you to track down and eliminate these creatures, and amass data on them in the process. If you
Okay.
still have questions about world intel, please ask away.
No, that was what I was really curious about.
Do you happen to have any questions about world intel and the like?
Nope.
In that case, I see no reason not to begin at once. With your activation of this tower, my analysis of the grasslands has already yielded some data. Though hardly substantial, it is enough for me to create materia. Which of these would you like?
Fire and ice. Oh, really? Nice. Autocast, morph. I remember morph. That's when you... Enemies whose health has fallen below a certain amount can be defeated in this fashion. Okay. Auto unique ability. I have 20 points, so I can get a couple. Well, we're gonna start with this. That would be a useful one. He has 2 of them. All right, I'm gonna pick up this guy. And this guy for now.
I wish you all the best in the long journey that lies ahead of you. And remember, you're not in this alone. Should you require assistance, just ask.
What the hell is that thing? Oh, nice. Cool. All right. is this? Can I hop the fence? Please? Nope. That sucks. Alright, I can't do any of that yet. I gotta go do the chocobo thing first. Okay. Red, what's up, buddy?
Hey, perfect timing. Pico's all prepped. But first, here. You just give that whistle a toot and your chocobo will come a-running.
Press R1 to use chocobo whistle and summon your bird. Only call a chocobo in a region. You have wrangled that region's bird. Okay.
So, who here's never been on Chocoback?
I haven't.
Why don't we take a few laps to get you comfortable then? Come with me.
What the hell is this thing? Oh! Just, I can do it to customize it. Cool. Alright, well... Bird, do you just follow? Okay.
Here's where we get our birds in shape for the races.
What races?
The gold saucers, I mean. They're a big deal in our community. Won't find a ranch around here that doesn't compete.
So you guys race too?
We've been sitting it out since Mom and Dad left. But we're gonna get back in the fight soon and kick the tar out of one particularly nasty weasel. But never you mind all that. You just focus on the basics, like making sure you don't get thrown from the saddle. Why don't you try hopping on Pico and giving me a holler?
Ah, there he is. Oh boy, this is funky to steer.
Okay, but how's about we stretch his legs a bit?
R2 to dash, circle to jump. Oh, we ran into the pole. Dang it. Oh, I missed it. Ah, balls. How did I miss? Come on.
Not terrible, but hey, now that you got the basics, it's just a matter of practice.
We can't thank you enough, Billy.
Oh, that reminds me. Y'all mentioned your flat broke, right? Then you might want to swing by Calm again. Now that the troopers have cleared out, it's probably safe for you to ask around for work. Though, don't run off just yet. My sister's looking for help. Not sure what the trouble is. Didn't want to confide in me for whatever reason. Honestly, she hasn't been herself since Mom left. They did dang near everything together.
You want to lend Chloe a hand?
We need to move on.
True, but moving on costs money. We had fun helping people in Sector 5, right? Same deal.
Nice way to spell it out. Go to sports. Okay. Oh, cool. They're gonna let me fast travel. Thank God. All right. Let's go talk to Chloe.
Oh, hey! You're back.
I heard you might need some help.
You did? Oh, I see. Billy talked to you, didn't he? I've been meaning to go pick flowers, but the plains are way too dangerous for that.
I'm sorry to hear that. As a flower lover myself, I sympathize.
Well, the thing is, I want to make a flower crown. Mom used to make them for us all the time. So I wanted to give it a try, but with all the monsters, I didn't know how I could.
Here's an idea. Maybe we could do the picking for you?
Sure!
Cloud? Thoughts?
We'll take the job. I'm not prying.
Really? You will? The flowers grow on a hill that's got a great view of Midgard. It's kinda far, but a chocobo will get you there quick. Thank you so much.
Nice. Y'all are wreaking havoc on their poor barn. All right, Pico, where are you? Up, so press the right button. There you are. Good bird. Where is it? Oh my God, that is so weird looking. Why is he riding a bird? Why? Oh my God, that's hilarious. All right, well, that is gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope to see you in the next part. In the meantime, y'all, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Later.